Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this tablet stand with a wireless Bluetooth speaker and anti-slip base that I got sent out to review. This is everything that it includes in the box, and let's just check it out. It also includes the cable to charge it. It's really nice. It also has a USB enter and a micro SD card entry, and this is the speaker, the silver one. It is made of plastic, and these have some anti-slippery things right here on the plate where you will be mounting it. And here it also has the controls for you to play the music that you want. It has a nice detail, like if it was like a Porta CDs or something underneath this stand. You can use your iPad or your iPhone right here and just use it as a stand and play some music right here as we are going to play it. Here is a little bit of the sound that it makes. You can see some of the music that we have right here. This is how it sounds. I love how it sounds, and I love that you can just display it on here, and you can even move it around, and you can just pause it and also change like the volume right here from either the speaker or the tablet. It's really nice that you are able to have these stand along with the speaker.